Welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy. Tonight, we're checking out a new band for the channel, the Heathen SCYTHE, with the song The Magus. Yeah, I always love discovering new music, and I love just being able to hang out with you all and listen and see what we think. If you like what you hear, please go show the band some love. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, welcome in. I started this journey about 2 years ago where I just wanted to dive into music I never heard before. I never expected this to happen. I just thought, man, maybe people want to hang out with me. Because I never wanted to make a channel that was all about views and subscriber count and all that. I genuinely just wanted to sit down, listen to music, show love to the artist, and just have a conversation with people. Let's talk about life. Let's talk about the song. Let's just relax. The world's crazy out there. And I wanted to build a safe place where we could connect. That is the Wolf and the Melody. So if you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you're not new, let's buckle up. We're going for a ride. I've heard of this band, but I don't know. I've just heard of them. So I'm excited to hear this. This is a new video that dropped, and we're going to see what it's all about. Let's go. Damn. Oh, that's sick. Powerful words. What? Damn, this is fucking sick. Holy shit. Dude, wow, was not prepared. Was not prepared for this. This was awesome, dude. So refreshing. It just felt like it just felt like you know when a song comes along that just kind of punches you in the face and you feel like, man, I've never heard anything like this. Like I've been listening to metal for a really long fucking time, but this felt so new to me. I loved the theatrics. I loved how they were the these the lyrics and the hooks that they added with the riffs and the vocals, the way they just were paired together to make these moments, these dynamic fucking moments of just it was, theatrical and everything, but the video was killer. Like the video itself was awesome. The imagery so powerful. I so agree with how I would. I'm sitting here and I'm thinking like I wish we as humanity could do a better fucking job at working together to not try to fuck everything up. Like we we can do so much good and we can create so many amazing things, and we can also fucking just destroy everything, destroy ourselves. And it pisses me off, it pisses me off. So the what this song was about was like hitting home to me. I fucking relate and agree with these lyrics, dude, and just, you know, about healing inside to heal the outside and powerful, man. But this was incredible. The riffs, dude, the fucking riffs were awesome, super fun, but super dark and menacing. I love the vocals. I just loved it all. The drums, everything, the bass, everything was cutting through. This was a really killer song. I love, man, when we sit here, we hit play, and we have no idea what we are about to walk into. Y'all, if you like what you heard, go show this band all the love. Go check them out, support them. And as always, you know where to find me. Instagram, Discord. Reach out if you'd like to connect. Send me music, talk life. Listen, I know life is crazy, and it's easy to feel alone. But you're not alone here. I'm not a therapist, but if you need to chat and talk life, please reach out. You matter. What you do matters. And we could do a lot of good. All right? Thanks for hanging out tonight. Thanks for checking out this song. This was killer. And as always, stay lovely, stay metal, and until next time, we'll be back with another reaction.